Good morning, dear students. I'm Abdul Shamim, Assistant Professor of English at Renuka College, based on Nagpur. Today, I'm going to teach you the lesson My Lost Dollar, written by Stephen Leacock. Before we begin the lesson, we are going to see what is this lesson all about. So, it is a very humorous story in which Stephen Leacock tells us about the incident which has happened with him. He has lent $1 to his friend Todd to pay the fare to the taxi driver when he was going to Bermuda. But even after 12 months, his friend has totally forgotten about the dollar which he has owed with the writer. The writer gave him hints several times to him, but still he is unable to recall. So the writer at last thinks that he will never get his dollar back. But it also makes the writer to think when it is possible in the case of his friend who has owed $1 to him and has totally forgotten. So he can also borrowed $1 from anybody and has forgotten. But he says that he is going to return to dollar only to that person from whom he has borrowed $1 in order to pay to the taxi driver while he was going to Bermuda. After that, he makes the commitment that he is going to start a movement back to honesty. And he knows the greatness of any nation is totally based on the rock foundation of honesty. आज जो लेसन हम पढ़ेंगे उसका नाम है माई लॉस्ट डॉलर, जिसे लिखा है स्टीफन लीकॉक। स्टीफन लीकॉक इस सबक में एक बहुत ही ह्यूमरस इंसिडेंट जो उनके साथ हुआ था वो हमारे साथ शेयर करना चाहते हैं। दरअसल उनका दोस्त जब बरमुडा जा रहा था तो उसी ने उनसे $1 उधार लिया था टैक्सी ड्राइवर को पे करने के लिए। अब 12 महीने के बाद भी वो उस डॉलर के बारे में पूरे तरीके से भूल चुका है। राइटर कई बार कोशिश करता है, अलग अलग तरीके से प्रयास करता है उसे हिंट दे के उस डॉलर के बारे में याद दिलाने के लिए, लेकिन फिर भी राइटर का दोस्त टॉड समझ नहीं पाता है और वो उसे वापस नहीं करता है, जिस कारण से राइटर ये समझ जाता है कि उसका पैसा उसे कभी वापस नहीं मिलने वाला। राइटर ये सोचने पर भी मजबूर हो जाता है कि जिस तरीके से मेरा दोस्त पैसे लेने के बाद भूल चुका है वैसा हो सकता है मैंने भी किसी से पैसा उधार लिया होगा और भूल चुका हूँगा। लेकिन राइटर सोचता है मैं उन्हीं लोगों को पैसे वापस करूंगा जिसने मुझे बरमोड़ा जाते समय टैक्सी ड्राइवर को पैसे पे करने के लिए पैसे दिया होगा, उसी का मैं डॉलर वापस करूंगा, बाकी किसी का वापस नहीं करूंगा। उसके बाद राइटर सोचता है कि हो सक मैं इसके बाद ऐसा एक मूवमेंट शुरू करूंगा जिसे नाम दूंगा बैक टू ऑनेस्टी। और वो कहता है कोई भी बड़ा राष्ट्र एक महान राष्ट्र तभी बन सकता है तब वो जिसकी नींव हो ईमानदारी। My friend Todd my friend Todd owes me $1. He has owed it to me for 12 months, and I fear there is little prospect of his ever returning it. I can realize whenever I meet him that he has forgotten that he owes me $1. O means to be indebted to. The writer tells us the incident which has happened to him, and the incident is such that he has lent $1 to his friend Todd, and it has happened for 12 months. But still, the writer thinks that there is no chance, prospect means chance, of getting his dollar back. The reason is that from the behavior of his friend, it appears that he has totally forgotten about the dollar which he has owed from the writer. राइटर कहता है मेरा दोस्त टॉड, ओस मीन्स उधार लेना, ऋणी होना। मेरा दोस्त टॉड ने मुझसे $1 उधार लिया था और इस बात को आज 1 साल के ऊपर हो रहा है, 12 महीने हो चुके हैं, लेकिन मुझे लगता भी नहीं है कि मुझे मेरे पैसे वापस मिलेंगे, क्योंकि उसके रवैये से ऐसा नजर आता है कि वो पूरे तरीके से डॉलर के बारे में भूल चुका है। He meets me in the same he meets me in the same frank, friendly way as always. My dollar has clean gone out of his mind. I see that I shall never get it back. Stephen Leacock tells from the attitude of his friend that whenever he meets him, he meets in a very free and frank way. That is why he thinks that he has totally forgotten about it. And he has also made up his mind that he is never going to get his dollar back. स्टीफन लीकॉक कहता है कि जब भी मेरा दोस्त मुझसे मिलता है, बड़े ही फ्री फ्रैंक वे में मिलता है। उसके इस रवैये को देख के मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे कि वो पूरे तरीके से मेरे डॉलर के बारे में भूल चुका हूँ। इसीलिए मैंने भी सोच लिया है कि मुझे भी अब मेरे डॉलर वापस नहीं मिलेगा। On the other hand, I know that I shall remember all my life that Todd owes me $1. It will make no difference. I trust to our friendship, but I shall never be able to forget it. I don't know how it is with other people, but if any man borrows $1 from me, I carry the recollection of it to the grave. On the other side of the incident, the writer says that it is possible for his friend to forget, but it is not possible for him to forget. And he remembers it till he has passed away from this world. He remembers that he has lent $1 to his friend who is never going to return his dollar to him. So he is going to remember all his life, but he doesn't know how it is with other people, what they do in that case. But as far as the case of the writer is concerned, he knows that whenever he has lent $1 to anybody, he remembers till he passed away. राइटर कहता है मुझे मालूम नहीं दूसरे का रवैया कैसे है, लेकिन जहाँ तक मेरी बात है, जब मैं किसी को पैसे उधार देता हूँ तो मैं उसे जिंदगी भर याद रखता हूँ। मैं उसे इस जिंदगी में तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं भूल सकता हूँ। दूसरों के बारे में मालूम नहीं, लेकिन मैं जीते जी तो कभी नहीं भूलूंगा। लेकिन इससे हमारी दोस्ती पर भी कोई असर नहीं पड़ेगा, लेकिन ये जिंदगी भर मुझे याद रहेगा कि मैंने टॉड को $1 दिया है, उस डॉलर का वो मेरा ऋणी है। Let me relate what happened. Todd borrowed this dollar last year on the 8th of April. I mentioned the date in case this should ever meet Todd's eye. Just as he was about to leave for Bermuda, he needed $1 in change to pay his taxi, and I lent it to him. It happened quite simply and naturally. I hardly realized it till it was all over. He merely said, "Let me have $1, will you?" And I said, "Certainly. Is $1 enough?" I believe. In fact, I know that when Todd took the dollar, he meant to pay for it. Now the writer shares the whole incident, how it happened, how he has lent $1 to his friend Todd. It happened on the 8th of April. He mentioned the date so that sometime his friend Todd is going to come across the date and will remember that he has owed $1 to his friend and will return. His friend Todd was going to Bermuda, so he needed $1 in order to pay to the taxi driver because at that point of time he did not have change. So the writer the writer in a very natural manner lent $1 to him, and when his friend Todd borrowed $1 for him, the writer thought that he was going to return to him. राइटर कहता है कि मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूं किस तरीके से ये इंसिडेंट हुआ। वो कहता है ये बात है 8 अप्रैल की, और मैं डेट इसीलिए बता रहा हूँ, राइटर कहता है, ताकि कभी हो सकता है कि ये डेट टॉड की निगाह से टकरा जाए और उसे याद आ जाए और मुझे वो पैसे वापस कर दे। दरअसल टॉड बरमूडा जा रहा था और टैक्सी ड्राइवर का फेयर पे करने के लिए उसके पास चिल्लर नहीं थे, इसलिए मुझसे उसने चिल्लर मांगा। मैंने $1 निकाला और उसे दे दिया क्योंकि उस वक्त उसका चिल्लर नहीं थी। लेकिन मुझे इस बात पे यकीन था, जब मुझसे पैसे वो उधार ले रहा है तो यकीनन वो ये समझ के ले रहा है कि मुझे वो वापस करेगा। He sent me a note from Hamilton, Bermuda. I thought when I opened it that $1 would be in it, but it wasn't. He merely said that the temperature was up to nearly 100. The figure misled me for a moment. When the writer's friend Todd was in Bermuda, he wrote a letter to the writer. When the writer received a letter, he was very happy. He thought that he had returned his $1 along with that note. But when he opened the letter, he found that his $1 was not in the note. He only mentioned that the temperature was up to nearly 100 degree. And it misled the writer. राइटर कहता है कि मेरे दोस्त टॉड ने मुझे हैमिल्टन बरमूडा से लेटर लिखा। जब लेटर आया तो मैं बड़ा खुश हो गया, मुझे ऐसा लगा शायद उसमें हो सकता है मेरा $1 उसने वापस करा होगा, लेकिन जब मैंने खोला तो उसमें $1 नहीं था। उसके बाद उसमें सिर्फ इतना लिखा था कि हैमिल्टन का जो टेम्परेचर है वो नियरली 100 डिग्री होता है। कहता है कि मैं काफ़ी कंफ्यूज हो गया, कहीं $1 की जगह उसने $100 तो नहीं लिखा है कि मुझे वापस करना चाहता है वो, लेकिन ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था। Todd came back in 3 weeks. I met him at the train, not because of the $1, but because I really esteem him. I felt it would be nice for him to see someone waiting for him on the platform after being away for 3 weeks. I said, let's take a taxi up to the club. But he answered, no, let's walk. Todd stayed in Bermuda for the lapse of 3 weeks. After that, he returned. So the writer decided to meet him at the railway station. And the intention of the writer to meet him is not that he wanted his $1 back, but he respects his friend a lot, and he wants to receive his friend. That is why he has gone at the railway station to receive him. Then the writer offered him that they were going to take taxi, but his friend Todd declined by saying that they were going to have a long walk. So while walking, they were going to have a chat. राइटर कहता है टॉड 3 हफ्ते के बाद बरमुडा से वापस आया बस से मिलने स्टेशन गया। इस मकसद से नहीं गया कि मुझे मेरे पैसे चाहिए, इसलिए मैं दौड़े दौड़े भागे भागे स्टेशन गया। मकसद ये था कि मैं अपने दोस्त की काफ़ी दिल में काफ़ी इज्जत है इसलिए मिलने गया, इस मकसद से, ताकि मैं उसे अच्छा महसूस करा सकूं। तो ऐसे स्टेशन पे मिला, मिलने के बाद रिसीव किया और मैंने कहा चलो टैक्सी से क्लब चलते हैं। लेकिन उसने जवाब दिया नहीं, चलो पैदल चलते हैं, पैदल चलते चलते बातचीत भी हो जाएंगी। We spent the evening together talking about Bermuda. I was thinking of the dollar, but of course,